Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to set up the Testo Saveris 2 T1 single channel wireless logger. To start, install the batteries. Then unscrew the rear battery compartment door. Install the included batteries observing polarity, then screw the door back into place. The device will automatically switch on and begin to display temperature measurements along with the battery status. The first thing to do when getting set up is to create a Testo Cloud account. Navigate to saveris.net and either select Register Now, then follow the prompts to register an account, or log in if you already have an account. This is the Testo Saveris 2 dashboard. To connect your first logger, insert the included USB and plug the unit into your computer. Select the small plus icon in the top right corner. Once you've installed batteries, plugged in the logger, and the small power symbol is on the screen, press Next. Then enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. Press Next. Right-click the link Wi-Fi conf_data.en. Save it to the Saveris 2 drive. This is the plugged-in logger on your computer. After the download is complete, disconnect your logger from the computer. Select Next. Check your logger to see if the Wi-Fi and cloud symbols display. Give it around 30 seconds to a minute. When this is displayed, select Finish Setup. Your new logger will appear on the Testo dashboard. As you can see, there's no data to display under last value or last measurement. To force a reading, press the Control button on the front of the device to manually start a transfer. Refresh the page, and just like that your logger is connected and transferring temperature information to the Testo Saveris cloud via Wi-Fi. To set up your logger, press the small arrow to show more information. Then press Show Details. This takes you to the logger configuration page. Here you can view the Wi-Fi connection status, remaining battery life, the last collected value, along with the time and date. Choose to deactivate the logger. The small pencil icon allows you to edit the probe name and give it a description. Scrolling down, you can input your measuring cycle interval. For the basic version, it is adjustable from 15 minutes to 24 hours, and for the advanced version, it is adjustable from 1 minute to 24 hours. Select your data transfer interval. This is how often the collected information is shared to the cloud. The intervals are the same here. For the basic version, select between 15 minutes and 24 hours, or for the advanced version, select between 1 minute to 24 hours. You can switch power saving mode on or off. If on, you can select a time frame for this to be activated. Select the temperature readout under channels between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Under general settings, you can switch the logger's display on or off, view or select the battery type, as well as view the serial number and firmware version. The last option on this page is to delete the logger. Once you have made any changes, select Save Changes. The next tab after Dashboard is Analysis and Reports. There are two options here, Data Analysis and Automatic Reports. Here's what the Data Analysis tab will look like after the logger has been set up for some time. You can select your logger on the left, select a data view date and time frame, choose to show the last hour, 12 hours, last day, last week, or the last month of data. Further, you can choose to see any data by alarms, as well as in a complete table. To create an automatic report, you can click here. You will need the advanced software version for this. Or to export your collected data as a PDF or CSV file, select Export and choose your file type. For your report, select the logger channel to be downloaded. Then you can choose one of the data formats between table, alarms, graphic, display alarm thresholds, and display minimum and maximum. If required, along with downloading the information in the selected format, you can also have it sent to your email. Here's an example of the downloaded data in a PDF. The next tab is Alarms. Here you can view the alarms list, change alarm settings, and set up system warnings. Current alarms will appear here. To set alarms, go to Alarms, then Alarm Settings. Select New Alarm Setting. Give the alarm a title. Select your logger. Click on the parameter to expand. Here, you can add in your lower and upper limit alarm values. At the bottom, you can turn on or off alarms if the sensor becomes defective and enter email recipients of alarms. Once entered, select Save Changes. To set up system warnings, go to Alarms, then System Warnings. Select New System Warning. Give the alarm a title, switch on or off battery almost discharged or power supply interrupted warnings, and activate an alarm if the Wi-Fi logger is no longer responding. You can select a time interval using the sliding scale. Setting a delay can help avoid false alarms. Select the logger. Then, as before, enter the email addresses for when your set alarms are activated. Select Save Changes. When you have unacknowledged alarms, it will show at the top of the screen here. Users will receive email notifications like this, stating the device information, measure value, and limits, as well as the time of the breach. Further, your log will have upper or lower limit exceeded icons on the screen and the alarm message icon on the top right. To review the alarms, go to the Alarms, then the Alarm List page. Acknowledge any alarms by selecting Mark as Red. The alarm bell on the top will return to a green tick. The last tab on the Saveris screen is Configuration. Here is where you can adjust user information and view your account ID, select measuring point groups, select and set up areas, view all connected Wi-Fi data loggers, and check for any firmware updates. And that's how to set up the Testo Saveris 2 T1 single channel wireless logger. For a comparison between the basic and advanced licenses and their features, see the video description below. Or for information on the Testo Saveris series of data loggers, speak with an instrument choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.